Good day, everybody. Soulful Earth Design stopping in to update you, to bring you some exciting news. We have new workshop area, which was graciously donated by a local merchant in our area. This is going to greatly improve our ability to get to our goal to present to you 100% in-house work uh, that we're shooting for, that we're going to be able to go out and source our own product, to be able to cut, polish, uh, form, create, wire wrap, you know, just be able to give you our best. And this gets us one more step towards our goal. We want to thank you so much for all of your support and helping us reach these goals that we have set up for ourselves to bring you the best quality product that's out there. And we can't thank our sponsor enough to donate the space to us to allow us to get to that step. So thank you to everybody. You know, the support and the love that we get from everybody is just so tremendous. Just wanted to show you what we have. It's just uh, one more step that we've taken to get you the best quality products that we have gone out and gotten ourselves, sourced ourselves, so we know exactly where it's coming from, and we just love it. We love being able to do this for you. We love the support that you're giving to us. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And please, please just go out and be safe. Well, don't go out, stay home. Be safe, wash your hands, do social distancing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.